About to head out to the little park over here. I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. Navy now. I'm working at the hospital. So far, it's been a journey. But yeah, hopefully I can tell you more about it in the coming future. I'm gonna upload on YouTube, God willing, once a week. Woo-hoo. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Out in the cut. This is awesome. Am I scared? Hell yeah, I'm scared. You know how people be like, man, that's some white people shit. Yeah. But I don't like that term, like white people shit. I feel like anybody can be adventurous. It's beautiful out here. What do I want to talk about? Let's see. But kinda, I don't know, on my mind is money and system and me being in a prison. Hopefully you can hear me. Basically what I'm trying to say is we live in a society that worships money, class, notability, and in a way that's kind of a prison, which is cool. See a girl walking with a dog. She seems awesome. But yeah, I was thinking about maybe going to an island and just saying forget society. Yeah. So, hopefully you can hear me. That is fun. Yeah, I went out in nature. It's cool. Cool beans, you feel me? I met this girl, her name is Princess. She seems cool. She had a dog. That was cool. And then, yeah. I fell on a swing, so I was swinging and jumping. I was doing that earlier and I fell, busted my ass. It's hilarious. Yeah. So basically what I wanted to talk about was how society has conditioned us to value money and things of the world, like anything materialistic. For example, when I was younger, people put a lot of value on the kind of shoes you had. I don't know why we did that though. It's funny because shoes are basically something that protects your feet from the hard ground, and I don't know why it mattered what symbol you had on your shoes. But I guess that's the programming that's been set upon us by society. I don't see it as a bad or good thing. It's just something that is just an interesting perspective or interesting thing I see in the world. But yeah, I'm not judging like money or materialistic wealth. I'm just observing it and trying to put it in the front of my mind and not to be so involved. Not that I don't want money or materialistic things, just I'm aware that those things don't go with me in the afterlife or in the next phase of my life. Yeah, so it was an interesting day. I had a lot of fun. I'm in nature, which is beautiful. I saw some butterflies, some cool trees. yeah, I'm enjoying life. Hopefully everybody else is enjoying their life. I want to be happy or joyous, even though I'm going through trouble. Still want to be able to appreciate life, the smallest things, being able to breathe fresh air, being able to eat, drink, which is fun. This life is interesting. Yeah, I'm happy I'm out here. And hopefully you guys can be out here too. Just go outside even though it's raining. Just enjoy the rain. Peace. And see if I can get videos of butterflies. Cool.